This is one of the most overlooked but fierce creatures in the ocean. It's the peacock mantis shrimp. Any sea creature of the same size is no match for it. It has a terrifying weapon built into its body. It can smash its enemies in an instant. Even the hardest crab claws turn to pieces in a single strike. Its explosive power is truly terrifying. The mantis shrimp's strength is beyond imagination. Those tough crab claws seem useless against it. Even a light tap from the mantis shrimp can shatter a crab's claw immediately. This crab seemed to sense the danger. It tried to escape, but the mantis shrimp struck fiercely, snapping off two of its claws in a flash. The sheer power is unbelievable. It seems the peacock mantis shrimp has no natural predators.